Dear student, I am Sendesar to teach mathematics. Mathematics divided in two parts in 10th class. First part is algebra and second part is geometry. So we are learn today first part and first lesson of mathematics is linear equation in two variables. So linear equation in two variable ax plus by equal to y. A is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y, and a, b and r belongs to the real number. A is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. If I take a equal to 0 and b equal to 0, then this equation is meaningless. So ax plus by equal to r is a linear equation. त्याला लिनियर इक्वेशन का म्हणायचं की या x चा घातांक 1 आहे आणि y चा घातांक सुद्धा 1 आहे, म्हणून याला आपण मराठीमध्ये रेषीय समीकरण म्हणतो आणि इंग्रजीमध्ये आपण लिनियर इक्वेशन्स असे म्हणतो. समजा जर x the index of x is 2 and the index of y is 2, means x raised to power 2 plus y raised to power 2 equal to 3. This is not a linear equation. समजा इथे 3 असेल, इथे 4 असेल तरी हा लिनियर इक्वेशन होणार नाही. इथे 1/2 असेल तरी हा लिनियर इक्वेशन होणार नाही. त्याच्यासाठी लिनियर इक्वेशन होण्यासाठी x चा घातांक 1 आणि y चा घातांक 1 असणे गरजेचं आहे. आता हे लिनियर इक्वेशन्स आपण 4 प्रकारे सोडवू शकतो. लिनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व बाय 4 मेथड्स. फर्स्ट मेथड इज एलिमिनेशन मेथड, सेकंड सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, थर्ड इज ग्राफिकल मेथड and fourth is grammar rule method. So today we will learn elimination method and grammar's rule method. So in this box containing 10 fruits, that name are fruits apple and oranges. Total oranges and apples are 10 fruits. We don't know how many apples and how many oranges. So first equation is apple is x and orange is y. So x plus y equal to 10, and second condition is that apple is compared to the orange more than 2 apple. So the equation will become x equal to y plus 2. Transfer this y in left hand side, you will get x minus 2 equal to x minus y equal to 2. Now adding these elimination method, adding these two equations, equation 1 and 2, we will get what? X plus y equal to 10, x minus y equal to 2. So same number, same variable, this is positive sign and this is negative sign, so it cancel out. So x plus x is 2x, 10 plus 2 is 12, then x equal to 12 by 2. So x equal to 6. Substitute this value in equation 1. Then you will get the value of y. Y equal to 4. And this is the solution of these two linear equations. So same result we will get by graphical method. So first equation is this x plus y equal to 10. Find the 3 pairs. Find the 3 pairs x plus y equal to 10. Take x equal to 2 plus y equal to 10. So y equal to 10 minus 2. So y equal to 8. Similarly, find out these 2 pairs again. Then at least find 3 pairs. Why? We will get the actual graph. Now second equation is x minus y equal to 2. Then x equal to, transfer this y in right hand side, minus will become plus, y plus 2. Then x is equal to y plus 2. Take y equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Similarly, find out u, 2 pairs. Then how to draw the graph with the help of these pairs. Now this line is a horizontal line, and horizontal line is called x-axis. And after this line is a vertical line, and vertical line is perpendicular to the horizontal line, intersect in this point. So O point, O is the origin and its coordinate 0 and 0. Now locate the negative, this one is x dash axis, y and y axis. 2, 4, 6, 8. Right side of x axis, same number but negative sign in left hand side, x dash on x dash. -2, -4, -6, -8. Means 2 and -2 on the same distance. 4 and -4 from the 0 on the same distance. Similarly, on the y axis, locate this point. 2, 8, 5, 5, 7, 3, and draw the graphs. Then similarly, this x plus y equal to 10 या रेषेचा ग्राफ, या समीकरणाचा. त्याचप्रमाणे x मायनस y इक्वल टू 2 चा ग्राफ ही पॉइंट 3, 1 बघा, 3, 1, 4, 2 and 2, 0. Then these two lines intersect this point at point M, suppose M. Then this is draw the perpendicular line from the on the y-axis, similarly on x-axis. Then you will get the result. X-axis is 6 and y-axis is 4. So same solution we get elimination method and graphical method. In the next period, I will teach substitution method and Cramer's rule method.